Hi everyone, time for Noi again. You know how this goes. Now let's cooking. Noi chicken tender with coconut sweet chili sauce. I used a nice chicken tender today. Now I'm gonna add coconut sweet chili. You can use for dipping, but today I use marinade. Come out. Okay. Pour in a lot of sauce. This one add all the flavor. Tangy, creamy, but not too spicy. Just right. Now stir it up. Oh, I can smell it. Very nice. You people never know about coconut sweet chili chicken. Now you do. No, I tell you. Now we make like a normal breadcrumb. We need flour and some egg. I like to crack in the bowl first. You never know the egg. I put in the bowl. Now we whip the egg. Quickly, people. Now we take one piece chicken. Goes in the flour. Now in the egg. Now in the breadcrumb. Today I'm using pancake breadcrumb. Pat the chicken, make a breadcrumb stick. Oh, look at that! Nice chicken tender. Now we do the same another chicken. And the egg. And the breadcrumb. Very easy. Now look at that! No coconut chili chicken. Oh, the best. Testing to see the oil is hot. When they're hot, you can see a lot of bubble. Oh, ready to go now. My coconut chicken chili is gonna be good. Put the chicken in. You can see the bubble. Beautiful. Look at that. Not overcrowd the pan. Now we'll cook to the nice and golden. Oh, look at color. If you have a nice color, you take it out. Just drain in the paper towel. Now sprinkle a little bit salt. I'm gonna serve my chicken with broccoli and rice. Oh, so crunchy. Extra coconut sweet chili for dipping. Oh, I love this sauce. Another winner from Noi.